Hi guys, for today's video I created a fun air effect using Unity. I found on the internet a 3-dimensions model of the Emirates A380 and using Unity I power it up to the surface so the user can actually control the aircraft from a third-person perspective. And then a cool idea came to my mind. The 3D model I'm using based on 1 to 250 dimensions. Why not test the boundaries of the cell phone and resize the model for the identical dimensions of the actual thing? We'll try to make the model 250 times bigger than the model itself, and hopefully the cell phone will survive the challenge. Let's do it!
Yep, some Dubai footage from the Dubai is Open campaign of Emirates. Cool, and the 1 to 250 ratio goes with no problem. Let's go a bit bigger. The airplane is absolutely amazing. Look at these colors. Wow. Yep, we go even bigger. To be honest, I haven't tested the aircraft on an outdoor area. I'm wondering how it looks. Yep, and we go even bigger. What do you think, guys? Should I make a video of testing the aircraft in an outdoor? Leave a comment. Yep, at that stage we start having troubles rendering the entire aircraft. Oh my god, look at those wheels, they're so huge! Tail, look how big is it? I mean, it cannot even fit the screen. Oh my god. Now we are more than quarter the size of an actual A380. A size, oh my god. It's right above. The thing with those sizes is that the engine no longer can render the aircraft to its actual size. And we finally reached the original size. Yep, same rendering problem. The cell phone is extremely hot, but I'm thankful that it's not crashing.
it. We managed to make the aircraft 250 times bigger without the cell phone crashes instantly. But at that stage, we couldn't see the aircraft clearly, sadly. I might upload the app to the Google Play Store for your enjoyment. Also, please subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments how I could make the experience even better. Also, shout out to the Emirates cabin crew for wearing this hat. It is insanely hot with it. Until next time, bye!